Can you see this PPT?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now let's move on to the question. Exercise 5.1. Exercise 6.1. We are going to solve the questions based on the axiom 6.1 and 6.2, both which are called linear pair axioms. Linear pair axioms. Using theorem 6.1, which is called again a theorem related to the vertically opposite angles when two lines are or when two lines intersected. So let's start. Yeah. So first one, question number 1 in exercise 6.1. Go through the question. In figure 6.13, lines AB and lines CD, lines AB and CD intersect at the point O. Now, if angle AOC, here angle AOC plus angle BOE together 70 degrees and angle BOD here is 40 degrees. Angle BOD they clearly said 40 degrees. Find angle BOE individually and angle COE. This is the question.
Sir,
Let us
reflexive
assume. Let angle AOC is X. I'm saying this as a X. And angle BOE as Y. I'm taking this as angle Y. And anyways, obviously this I will take angle COE as Z. Why I am taking this way? It's a 3-letter notation, takes little again writing and all, thinking and all. We do it in a simple ways. We are given x plus y equals to 70. This is equation 1. And angle BOD equals to 40 degrees. This is given. Now we are asked to find angle Z and angle Y separately. Individually, they are asking us to find. See, first and foremost thing, how do you find angle Z? The question comes that. See,
Sir,
finding
we should
angle
find
Z is the
angle X.
first easiest thing which we can do, because on line AB, OC ray standing sum of x plus y plus z. This together, angle BOC plus angle AOC
Equal to
is,
110 degree.
yes, correct. Correct. 110 is right answer. Angle Z is 110. Perfect. Who said this,
Yes, sir.
Abhisheka?
Yes,
Perfect. Perfect. Why? Tell me why. Now.
Sir, because
sir,
70 minus
total sum
180
is 180 degrees, sir, and X
Very
and Y
good.
sum is 70
70
degrees.
is subtracted from 180. See, children, the theoretical writing you need to know. For this question,
Sir,
let me write theoretically.
excuse
Now,
me, sir.
tell me,
I will
Piyush.
tell
सुशांत, अच्छा
practically.
बताइए बताइए सुशांत बताइए.
Angle AOC plus angle BOE plus angle COE is equal to 180 degree. Angle 70 plus angle COE is equal to 180 degree.
Yes, perfect.
Angle COE is equal to 180 minus 70, that is 110 degree.
Yeah. See, children, this is the first foremost thing step has to come. Angle AOC plus angle BOC is equals to 180 degrees. Reason OC ray stands on line AB. Thus, by axiom
6.2, sir.
6 point,
2, sir.
no, 6.1.
Yes.
It is 6.1 only. 6.1 tells if a ray stands on a line, then the sum of two adjacent angles so formed is 180 degrees. That is what axiom 6.1 tells. Okay. 6.2 tells if the sum of any two adjacent angles is equals to 180 degrees, thus non-common arms of the angles form a line. That is 6.2. Okay, child? Piyush?
Sir,
Ha. Tell me. Chandru.
angle AOC is equal to angle BOD because they are vertically opposite angles, sir.
Count. Angle AOC and
Angle
BOD, sir.
BOD.
you are right. You are right. Angle X
And
equals to 40
Sir,
degrees.
then angle, sir,
You
then
are
angle
right.
Angle Y is equal to 30 degrees,
Chandru,
sir.
what he is saying is also right, children. What Chandru said is also correct. That is another way of approaching. Angle X degrees is 40 degrees is correct. Why?
sir, Y
Because,
30.
yeah, by theorem 6.1, vertical opposite angles are equal. Angle X degrees and that is angle AOC and angle BOD are vertical opposite angles formed by the two lines AB and CD. That is also one way of approaching. That is
Y will
absolutely
become
right.
30 degree, sir, and Z will come 110 degree, and AOD will become
Yes.
140 degree.
That is, see, that is one way of approaching answer. That is also correct. This is also correct. Angle AOC, X degree. Angle BOC is Z plus Y, is 180. Where X plus Y is,
70 plus Z is equal to 180, sir.
yes. So, this is another way of approaching.
Sir, what is axiom 6.1?
Axiom 6.1 tells, Shrikant, axiom 6.1 tells, if a ray stands on a line, then the adjacent angles so formed are supplementary, or the angles, adjacent angles so formed, sum is 180 degrees. Okay, this is axiom 6.1. Watch the videos, Shrikant, previous ones. If you have not attended the class, watch
Okay,
the
sir.
both videos, yesterday's ones. So this gives us angle Z. If angle Z is known to us, okay, then one work gets over. Another, when we wanted angle Y to be found, you can take here, this is 110, this is 40, and here OE ray stands on a CD line. Y plus 40 plus 110 is equal to 180. So Y equal to, okay, again, only axiom 6.1 I am doing all this. Okay, OE ray stands on line CD. Either you use that or OB ray stands on line CD. Then 110 plus Y plus 40 equals to 180 degrees will come. So 110 plus 40 is 150. So 180 minus 150 is Y
30, sir.
becomes 30 degrees. So how you have written these working steps? Similarly, these all
Same, sir.
working steps. for y finding also will come. Understood? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the same working steps, same type of reasons you can write for finding y equals to 30 degrees. How I found for
Sir.
z equals to 110 degrees.
Sir,
Tell me. Tell me.
sir, there it says that angle AOC plus BOE is equal to 70 degree. No, sir. Then directly we can do 70 degree. If x is equal to 40, then angle Y will
Yeah,
be
yeah.
70 minus
See,
50 like that, sir.
Chirag, 40 degrees he found from the vertical opposite angles using theorem 6.1. Vertical opposite angles are equal. So that is one method of doing. This is another method of doing. Both are correct. See, I did not use theorem 6.1 at all. Vertical opposite angles I didn't use at all. My thinking is this way. Okay, you are right. The moment you found x equals to 40, you will get the y value as 30 and y value you get 30. Same, you will get the z value as 110. That is another way. Okay. Next, moving on to the question number.
Sir,
Tell me, Shusha.
they're trying to find a reflex COE, no, sir.
Angle
250 degrees.
COE reflex.
250 degrees, sir.
Yeah, 250. Correct. 250. They did. Acha, they asked you to find a reflex. Oh, I have
Yes,
not
sir.
seen. See.
360
Oh,
minus 110.
you are right. They didn't ask us to find angle COE. They asked us to find angle reflex of COE. Very good. Reflex of COE is 250 degrees. You know how it comes also. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
From here,
360
sir.
minus 110.
AOD, sir.
Okay. 360
360
minus.
degree minus 110 degree.
Yes. Yes. I have not seen this at all. Sorry. Sorry. Good. Next question number 2. Question number 2. Yes.
Yes.
In figure 6.14, lines XY MN intersect at O. Okay. Then if angle POY 90 degrees
POY 90 degrees.
and A is to B, 2 is to 3, find C. Very good. See, A is 2 parts, okay, and B is 3 parts,
3x.
and A plus B must be 90 degrees. I'm not writing theoretical steps, children. Now you know how to write.
Sir,
Okay.
C is equal to 126 degrees, sir.
Okay, good, good. Now A plus B, that is 5 parts, is 90 degrees. Therefore, 1 part equals to, it is 18 degrees. The moment you got 1 part as 18 degrees, B becomes 18 threes are 50.
Sir, angle C is
Tell me.
Sir, angle A is 36 degrees, sir.
sir,
Yeah,
angle C
angle
is
A is
126
36
degrees,
degree.
sir.
Angle
Yes,
B
sir.
is 54 degree.
126 degrees, sir.
Yeah,
Angle C.
angle C is supplement of, we say, angle C is,
Sir.
yeah, tell me, Pa.
Sir,
You
here
mean
vertically opposite angles can come, sir? No, sir, can't come.
Vertically opposite angles means angle O you will find. I mean, angle YON you will find.
Sir, it is not
Yes,
needed
sir.
here, sir.
Not required now. See, MN is a line and on that OX is stands, array OX stands on line MN. Okay. Thus, angle C is supplement of the angle
54.
XOM.
54 degrees, sir.
Okay, that is B angle. Thus, angle C is 180 minus angle B, which is 180 minus 54. It is nothing but 126
126.
degree is angle C. So, you can find that way. Understood?
Sir, angle. Yes, sir.
Shall we move on to the third question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Question number 3. In figure 6.5, angle PQR equals to angle PRQ. Angle PRQ, then prove that angle PQS equals to angle PRT. How will you prove? Prove that it is. See children, this is a prove that question. Whenever you get prove that question,
Given and
just
two
like a
proofs should be.
theorem only. It is just like a theorem only.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Angle PQS, we always start with either prove that will have left hand side and right hand side. We will start with any one of them and approach to the other. Okay. If I am starting left hand side of the prove that is angle PQS. Angle PQS is the supplement of angle PQR. Okay. Why? Because since
PQR
PQ
plus PQS is equal to 180 degrees,
stands
sir.
on, yes, stands on
Line
line
ST, sir.
ST,
Line ST, sir.
ST,
Linear pair, sir.
SR, you can name anyway. Line
Linear pair.
ST. Thus, by axiom 6.1. Okay. Therefore, angle PQS is equals to 180 minus. You will assume in the beginning, let PQR is x degree. Why? Because a 3-letter notation always teases us. So bring it into one letter, A, B, R, X, Y, it's up to you. Similarly, now I'm going for angle PRT is the supplement angle of, is a supplement of angle,
PRQ, sir.
yes, PRQ. Same, since same, the same statement will come. Now
PRT is equal to
PR is
180
standing on line ST.
Therefore, sir, PRT is equals to 180 minus Y, sir.
Yes, 180 माइनस y नहीं है, x
Y.
डिग्री आएगा क्योंकि ये दोनों इक्वल है करके दिया हुआ है ना.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, so we will assume that यहाँ पे beginning, in the beginning only, let us assume that angle PQR equals to angle PRQ equals to x degrees. This is our assumption. In the beginning only will come. Okay. This is a body of the solution. This is the beginning, opening phrase. We say an opening phrase in English. The opening
Yes,
statement. With that it
Yes,
starts.
sir.
So this is
Sir,
equation 2. 1 and 2 are equal or not, because left hand side or right hand sides of both of them are equal. 180 minus x,
Sir.
180 minus x.
So equation 1 is equal to equation 2, sir.
Yes, angle PQS equals to angle PRT. Okay, since
Hence
1
proved.
equals to 2. Actually, there is another postulate, Euclidean postulate. Two things
Sir,
equal to the same things are equal to each other. There is a one postulate of Euclid which you will be watching, or which you can observe, which you can find in chapter number 5, Introduction to the Euclidean Geometry. Two things equal to the same are equal to each other. Have you understood the statement? Two things equal to the same are equal to each other. That is what here angle PQS is equal to 180 minus x. Angle PRT equals to 180 minus x. They both are equal to the same fellow. That's why they both are equal. So normally we refer the statement, postulate of Euclidean. Okay. So this is the proof, method of proof. Starting from LHS, reaching RHS, or starting from RHS, reaching LHS, or separately finding what is LHS, what is RHS, and both of them are equal to the same. They are equal to each other, proving that. So these are techniques of proving. Okay. Approach from LHS to RHS, or approach from RHS to LHS, or find separately and equate to the same. Have you understood, children? Where
Yes,
do you
sir.
find all these techniques? They are there in appendix 1.1 and appendix 2. They are there end of the chapters, appendix in textbook. It's all theory for the sake of geometry. Okay. Moving on to the question number 4. Have you understood? If you have understood, put a thumbs up. That's better option. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Shivam Raj. Right. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 4. Go through the question. Go through the question. In figure 6.16, x plus y equals to w plus z. That means sum of all four is 360 degrees.
It is given.
Now, see children, prove that angle AOB is, AOB is a line. This
Sir,
is,
actually means AOB is equal to 180 degree. We have to prove, sir.
yes, angle AOB, we have to prove that it is 180 degrees.
180.
Then axiom 6.2 will come. Then axiom 6.2 will come. Okay. Now, how will you prove that angle AOB 180 degrees?
Sir, given, sir.
First given is x plus y is equal to w plus z, sir.
That's it. Sum of all four.
Is equal to 360 degree.
Sir, x plus y plus is equals to w
X
plus z
plus
equals
y plus w plus z equals to 360 degrees. How it has come? Tell me. How?
Given, sir.
to
No, they didn't give. They didn't give that. They gave this. Given
Sir,
is
since
x plus
all
y
the
equals to w plus z. This is given.
sir, because since all the sum of all the angles around the point is 360, sir.
That's, I said a theorem. The theorem with the help of axiom 6.1 proved. We proved now.
Yes, sir.
I said there is a theorem which is not there in textbook. Okay, angles formed. Sum of the angles formed around a point. Sum of the angles formed around a point is 360 degrees. It proved somewhere one. This is.
No, sir, we did not. Yes, sir.
This one. Oh, Chandru. That's why I'm showing you also. This is a theorem based on linear pair axiom. The sum of all the angles formed around a point is 360 degrees. This is the theorem which we proved now. I wrote now. नेनपिदे?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So इसको इस्तेमाल करेंगे यहाँ पे. Okay. So the reason for how and why you will get that. Okay. How means procedure. Children, remember, if I am asking in your exams, normally when I cut marks, whenever I cut marks, I will write how, why, If I am writing how, that means there is a requirement of writing procedure. For proving something, you require proving earlier. So procedure is how, reason, the statement. So reason is why. So I'll cut marks wherever how is required, I'll cut more marks. Where there is a requirement of reason, I'll cut less marks. Half to 1 mark. This is 1 to 2 marks will get cut. Where there is a requirement of writing procedure, how will come. Where there is a requirement of writing a reason, why will come. Okay, normally theoretical exams will give less marks because you need to write all the reasons and procedures. Okay, so just I am saying marking scheme. In CBSE marking scheme, they will provide marks to each and everything minutely. If you do not write given, this one, you'll lose half mark. Okay, so that's the reason why we normally tell the children to write properly. If you write only given and what is to be proved, what is just question properly, if you write beginning parts of solution, statement, given, to be proved, construction, at least if you write, you will get 1.5 mark. Though you are not proving, you'll get 1.5 mark out of 4. Yeah, let's move on to the here. You know why? I will not say. Now,
Proof is
I am taking this portion as 1 and this portion as 2. Now I will use, instead of y plus z, w plus z, I'll use x plus y.
yes, sir. 2x plus 2y.
Yes. Equals
2x
to
equal
360.
to 360 degree.
Why? It is since 1. Just say since
Yes.
1 because you have already made it as equation. Now 2x plus y, you know how it has come. Algebraic simplification. No question
360
of you
degree.
asking reasons.
Sir, x plus y is equal to 180 degrees, sir.
Very good.
Hence
X
proved,
plus
sir.
y
AOB is a line.
equals to 180 degrees. You know that is algebraic simplification. This is third.
Sir, x 6.2, sir.
Yes. Now by therefore
If the sum
angle
of two angles
AOB.
is 180 degree, then
Yes.
then it is a line, sir.
So see, you need to understand axioms and remember those statements. Okay.
Sir,
Then
when x plus y is equal to
a
AOB,
pair
hence
of adjacent angles are supplementary. Then non-common arms of the angles form a straight line or form a line. That is axiom 6.2 statement. Oh, sorry, not this one. AOB is a line.
is a line. Sir, we know that x plus y is equal to AOB is when x plus y is equal to 180 degree, AOB is a line, sir.
Correct. That is what you will say. Angle AOB is 180 degrees and by 6.2. Okay, you will go over that. Then question number 5. Question number 5. In figure 6.17, TOQ is a line that is given. Next, ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. That means it's already 90 degrees. That is given.
Sir,
OS
can I
is
tell, sir?
another ray lying between rays OR and OP. Prove that. See, this is again a prove that, children.
Sir, can I tell, sir?
Okay, tell me, Chandru.
Sir, if angle ROQ is 90 degree, then angle POR will also be 90 degrees, sir.
Okay. Let me name this as A, this as B. Now, you know A plus B is 90 degrees. That is
90
what you
degrees.
mentioned. Okay. Next. What is
Then
your next step?
angle POS plus angle SOQ is equal to 180 degree.
Angle POS plus angle SOQ. Okay,
Is
accepted.
equal to 2A plus 2B, sir.
So, okay, let me write full. No problem. I'll write as you said. Yeah, angle POS plus angle SOQ 180 degrees. This is your next statement. Okay, accepted. Next.
Sir, they told angle ROS should be equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS.
Yes, yes.
Angle QOS minus angle POS is equal to 2A, sir.
Angle,
QOS
okay. SOQ or QOS equals to
minus, sir,
minus, okay,
angle POS.
angle POS. Angle SOQ minus angle POS equals to
Yes, sir, it will become 2A, sir.
Y.
Sir, because angle SOQ is equal to 2A plus B, sir.
Where they said 2A plus B.
Sir, angle SOQ is equal to angle SOR plus angle QOR, sir.
SOR plus QOR.
Angle QOR.
Okay. That is angle SOQ equals to angle SOR plus angle QOR. Okay. This is correct. Accepted.
Angle SOR is equal angle SOR means A, sir. And plus angle QOR means we proved before only, na sir, 90 degree means it is angle A plus angle B, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then angle SOQ will be 2A plus B, sir.
Angle SOQ
Is equal to 2A plus B, sir. Sir, 90 degree is equal to A plus B, na sir.
Okay.
Then it will become A plus B, sir. And angle POS is equal to B. Then
Okay.
angle SOQ minus angle POS is equal to 2A, sir.
Angle SOQ minus B equals to 2A. And
Yes, sir.
since
Then
angle POS is substituted as okay.
A is equal to half into angle SOQ minus angle POS.
Okay.
Sir, then it will be angle A is equal to angle ROS.
ROS or SOR. Okay.
Sir,
Absolutely
then
correct.
it is proved, sir.
Absolutely correct. Okay. Okay, children. Correct. What Chandru has done is correct. Now tell me, do you want little easy way?
Sir, I also done, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, shall we go for little easy way? This is right. What Chandru did is absolutely right. Okay. This is one same. 90% will things come as it is. What I'm going to say, 90% will come as it is. Okay.
Sir, shall I also tell, sir?
Yes, yes, no harm. Sushant, yes. Tell me.
Just tell, sir, you will write or I'll just tell, sir.
See,
Angle,
90% will come same. These are
yes, sir.
basics. Equation 1, equation 2.
Sir, angle POR is equal to POS plus RS is equation 1, sir.
Yeah.
Then angle QOR is equal to QOS minus ROS is equal to equation 2, sir.
Okay.
Then angle POR is equal to QOR is equal to 90 degree because
Yeah.
OR perpendicular to PQ.
Okay. Yeah.
Then
OR is
angle
perpendicular.
POS plus ROS is equal to QOS minus ROS.
Okay.
So angle POS plus ROS is equal to QOS, sir.
Okay.
Minus ROS will come this side means it will become plus, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Then angle POS plus 2 ROS is equal to QOS. 2 angle ROS is equal to QOS minus POS, sir.
Okay.
ROS is equal to half into QOS minus POS.
Okay.
Good, sir.
QoS. Okay. Then see, 90% same things will come here. What I'm saying is, I will assume angle ROS as A, angle POS as B, and we are already given ROQ as 90. What I will do is, if I am writing, I will write statement 1 and I will write statement this, the second one what I will write, and I'll not write third, I'll go for after second writing. Here angle POS plus angle ROS plus angle ROQ equals to 180 degrees. Then angle POS, here B plus angle SOQ. Two A plus 2B. $180 when it is 90 is A plus B, 180 is 2A plus 2B. Then angle ROS is 2A plus B. When B goes that side, it becomes 2B minus B, it becomes B. Now angle ROS is 2A plus B minus 90. It is ROS is we need to bring Q SOQ angle SOQ is 90 plus A. Next A plus B. Oh, it is becoming complex. Let me A plus B plus A minus 90 and it is becoming complex. Let me first wipe out this entire. This is better option. A, B, 90, angle, next, angle SOQ is 90 plus A, angle POS plus angle SOQ is 180 degrees, and A plus B equals to 90 degrees. Equation 1, equation 2, equation 3, and angle ROS I want here, angle R, angle S, ROS is 90 minus B. नहीं, एंगल POQS ROS को यहाँ पे लाना पड़ेगा, but ROS is so 2 times of angle ROS is angle QOS minus angle POS. This is twice. This is the one which I have. Angle ROS is two times angle ROS. Angle ROS is angle SOQ, angle SOQ minus angle ROQ. This is angle ROS. So obviously it is 90 ROQ को substitution POR I can make it POR. So here angle ROS को A B plus angle ROS plus angle 90 degrees. If I bring also it's 180 degrees, and B plus angle ROS is 90 degrees, and here two times of angle SOQ. It has become complex. So 90 I took. Why it is becoming complex here? Times angle ROS.
Sir, can I tell one time, sir?
Yeah. I'm actually trying to bring in A B's only.
Sir, you prove that angle SOQ is equal to A plus B.
Correct, dear. Correct. So I'll substitute here angle ROS equals to A plus B by substituting. So angle ROS, I'm proving that ROS as A. It is useless again. Here angle SOQ to be proved as
A plus B plus A, sir.
correct.
Sir, and
Yeah, angle
POS is equal to B.
SOQ to be proved as 180 minus A,
Nice.
because POS is A. POS is B. It is B. That means where 180 is 2A plus 2B minus B. It becomes 2A plus B.
Sir, and POS will be B, sir.
Angle POS is
POS is equal to B.
and angle POS is B.